Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your heart rate measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, around 2 fingers away from your palm basically. Secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. And in the menu, you can scroll basically through the list of options by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the option called heart rate and tap on it to open the heart rate widget. The watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically, so I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor. For some reason it doesn't want to detect it. Okay, now it's doing it, so let's wait a couple seconds. And here we have the result. If you want to repeat the measurement, you can tap on this icon right here to repeat the measurement, basically. And also you can check the statistics through the whole day right here on this graph, and you can swipe down to check your resting heart rate and heart rate zone right here. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.